Uh, Welcome, students. How are you? I hope that you are doing justice with your study. So far, you have understood uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. In this chain, today we have to study positive acceleration and negative acceleration. It is very simple. If a body is increasing its velocity, will be positive acceleration. If the body is decreasing its velocity, will be negative acceleration. So it is very simple. How will you write it? So look on the board. Positive acceleration, increase in velocity per unit time of a body is called positive acceleration. Negative acceleration or retardation or deceleration. Negative acceleration is also called retardation or deceleration. Decrease in velocity of a body per unit time is called negative acceleration. In this case, initial velocity of a body was 0, that is shown in this figure, and final velocity 10 meter per second. Obviously velocity is increasing, so the acceleration here will be positive acceleration. Just the case is opposite here. The initial velocity of the body was 10 meter per second and final velocity is 0. So in this case velocity is decreasing, so acceleration here will be called negative acceleration. Whatever acceleration is, if positive acceleration, so during it is increasing its velocity, the way of increasing of its velocity may be uniform or non-uniform. So positive acceleration will be sometime uniform, may to be non-uniform. In the same way, negative acceleration also, during the process of decreasing velocity by a body, it may take uniformity there, or it may not take uniformity there. So negative acceleration also will be of two types: uniform negative acceleration or non-uniform acceleration. As I hope you have understood. And now, would you like to solve some numericals of first level? Numericals before you will be of three levels: level first, level second, level third. So this time I would like to solve some numericals related to acceleration. And numericals, those are I am going to solve on the board, have already been sent to you. So I have not written question on the board, only solution is written here. So come on the board with me. First, you know what was the first question. The first question was that a body is in uniform velocity of 15 meter per second, or a body is moving with uniform velocity of 15 meter per second. What will be acceleration there? What would be its acceleration? Very simple. It is that when the velocity is uniform, neither it is increasing nor it is decreasing. So in that case, no change in velocity takes place. That is change in velocity. Is v minus u is equal to 0. If time be t, then using formula a is equal to v minus u by t, v minus u, that means change in velocity, is 0 because velocity is uniform, neither increasing nor decreasing. So 0 by t will produce 0. So the answer to this question would be 0 meter per second square. Simply you may tell 0. The second question was that a train is at rest at a station. So obviously its initial velocity will be 0, and it is told in the question that after 1 minute the velocity of that train becomes 21 meter per second. It means that the train attains a velocity of 21 meter per second in 1 minute. So what will be the acceleration in that case? So you look on the board. U is equal to 0, v is equal to 21 meter per second, and t is equal to 1 minute. if you have to write answer in SI units, then you have to change 1 minute into second. Using formula we get A is equal to V minus U by T. Since U is 21 minus 0 by 60, it will give you 0.35 meter per second square. So these type of questions are very simple. Just you have to use formula. Have you understood or not the formula of acceleration? A is equal to V minus U by T. It was made you understand yesterday. I think you have understood how have you obtained the formula of acceleration. Now come over to the third question. Third question was that I was playing cricket, and during the game I have caught a ball that was moving at a velocity of 25 meter per second. I have caught it in 2 seconds. That means in the process of catching that ball, it took 2 seconds. So what would be the acceleration there? This is the question. Here you notice that when you have caught the ball, then the final velocity of the ball will be 0, and the initial velocity it is told 25 meter per second. So simple. Just you have to apply the formula. You have to be careful that here U is 25 and V is 0. Some students when saw that this number is greater, you write this number, then the final velocity is written here, seeing the number. No, you have not to write like this, that number is greater than place should be first. No, V minus U. Actually 25 is the V, U is the V, U is the 25 meter per second, and V is 0. In the formula V comes first, so at the place of V should be 0. So 0 minus 25 by 2, it will produce minus 12.5 meter per second square. So minus 25 by 2 will give you minus 12.5 meter per second square. The answer to this question appeared with negative sign. What does this mean? This means that this acceleration is actually negative acceleration, because in this case velocity of the ball decreased. So this is negative acceleration. You may tell retardation or deceleration. So once you watch here, this has appeared with negative sign, so it is negative acceleration as velocity decreases here. So those were the 3 questions, and some questions in the next segment I am going to make you understand. Thank you.